Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to fix this problem on your Windows 11 system. In the first step, go to search bar and then simply type troubleshoot settings. Then click here to open it. Now on this tab, click on other troubleshooters. Then from Windows updates, click on run. It will try to detect the problems on your Windows system, and once done, click on next and it will try to resolve also. So after that, close this window and simply move to the next step. Now go to search bar and type here CMD, right click on it and select run as administrator. Select as. Now we need to execute some commands carefully. Type netstop WUAUSERV and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now you can just follow my screen. Now type netstop crypt svc and press enter to execute the command. Now type netstop bits and hit enter. Now type ren c:/windows/software distribution.old and hit enter. You can press enter from your keyboard to execute the command. Now move to the next command, that will be ren c:/windows/system32/catroot2 space catroot2.old, and once done, type exit to close the command prompt window. And again we need to start all the commands. So again go to search bar, type cmd, right click on it and select run as administrator. So once you are here, now type these commands and execute them. Type net start WUAUSERV and hit enter. Then type net start crypt svc. Then execute net start bits command and press enter to execute this command. So once done, type exit to close the command prompt window and restart your system. That's it guys, your problem is solved, you're good to go.